What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. And today, as y'all can see, man, it's raining. We're having a rainy POV. We haven't done one of these in a long time, man. So wow, it's a dead raccoon. But yeah, rainy POV, man. As y'all can see, hands-free POV, man. You know, I ain't did one of these in a long time, man. So hopefully y'all enjoy them. I know y'all probably like the hands-free POVs better. I wasn't expecting it to rain today. It's not gonna rain for long, but it's raining the time I was gonna get in the car. So hey, we just gonna make do what it do. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? But yeah, man. Off top, I know this is probably a crazy question, but how many of y'all actually like driving in the rain, bro? Cause the rain is peaceful when it ain't just crazy, but it's peaceful when you're not on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're like, you know what I'm saying, something like this in the street, slow speeds, you know what I'm saying, like 50, 40 miles per hour, whatever like that. But y'all comment down below, man, if y'all like driving in the rain, man. And y'all let me know if y'all like hands-free POVs. You feel me? Well, I know y'all do, but which one y'all like better? The other, me holding the camera just a whole lot easier. Cause with this, I gotta put the head mount on, make sure the angle good, do all the other stuff before I can really even get to drive. You feel me? Ooh, a LT1. You lucky it raining, boy. You lucky it raining, I'll get on you. Damn. Car crew, he lucky it raining, cuz I'll get on him. But we ain't gonna be on that today. Since it's raining, we just gonna get y'all a nice, calm, rainy POV drive. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see, I barely can see. You feel me? So, oh, water. Damn. Well, that was a big putt. I seen it before I even got to it, boy. Oh, we got a Mustang on the side of the road. Another puddle. Mustang on the side of the road, cuz said, I ain't driving. He smart. See, y'all other Mustang nigga, y'all hard-headed, bro. Y'all would've just went ahead and just, you know, went on, rolled, knowing that you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, cuz this, like, it's puddles. It's puddles, like, all over the road, bro, like, and the car felt weird just then. See, now we straight now. The car did feel kind of weird just then, I ain't gonna cap. Well, yeah, Mustang, buddy, smart, boy. Boy got their hazards on, so I'm not going nowhere. I already know how these crowd killers get, boy. I ain't got time, cuz. I feel you, big dog. I feel you, big dog. Man. See, he a smart one. See, he might be a Mopar lover at heart. You feel me? The rest of y'all boys just, I don't know what wrong with you. I don't know what wrong with y'all boys, man. But we're gonna take the long way to where I'm trying to go, so I can give y'all boys a little, since the rain done stopped just that quick, give y'all boys a little, you know, a little noise, a little pull, stuff like that. But yeah, buddy said he not going though, cuz it's sitting on the side of the road waiting for the Lord to open his path. But yeah, man. Dang, but that mount kind of heavy on my forehead. I ain't gonna even cap to you. Put this thing in custom with a transmission and sport. You know what I mean? We ain't got that much gas, but we gonna make it work. I ain't like turning yellow. I should have kept going, but I ain't gonna do y'all boy like that and show y'all the wrong way. You feel me? Not purposely. But yeah, car crew, how y'all boy day been, man? For all y'all that watching, how y'all boy day going? Or morning, night, whenever you watching the video. Slight little, you know, turn the L. Slight little, you know what I'm saying? Rainy POV, it was raining. Y'all let me know if y'all like this view better. You know what I'm saying? As far as like just, I guess the whole simulation of like y'all driving. Corvette. Y'all see the Corvette? What you want to do, cuz? Cuz like, boy, it's raining. But I don't care, boy. Stop being scaredy. Stop being scaredy. Ain't gonna lie, I did get swirly just then. I know them folks like, what wrong with it, man? I ain't try to do that, bro. I got the wheel, ugly. That mother got swirly. It crazy, bro, cause these cars that get swirly and the traction light won't even come on. That's why some folks be like, he ain't get swirly, but the light don't come on every time. See, like now it did then, cause you gotta do it for a long time, a long enough time, you know what I'm saying? And push the pedal down further enough. You can tap the gas and spin, especially when it's wet outside. Well, if I was in the cat, that bitch would've got stupid loose. Damn, bro, look at this puddle. I hate getting in the right lane, bro. Right lane be horrible. One thing I hate about rain, bro, it be so stank outside, bro. Like, how something that's supposed to clean stuff, what we use to clean stuff with and bathe with, be so stank. Woo-hoo-hoo. I know them folks like, what wrong with that nigga? Well, yeah, man, I know y'all boys seen that steering wheel get a little loose. That with traction on, bro. Traction is on street, cuz. It ain't no sport mode, nothing. Traction is on, completely on. Crazy. Crazy, buddy. Dang, they'll go 12. Is that 12? That's like a regular nigga with bro, I hope that is, bro. I hate when folks buy police cars, bro. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Y'all keep them looking like that. Like, you still got the wheels and everything. The only thing you ain't got on there is the spotlight, bro. See, it's dry over here. Like, that's crazy to me, bro. Like, why y'all be sitting here still keeping the car looking exactly like the police car, bro? Like, how is that not like some kind of law? Like, cause folks can sit here and cap you down like they 12 cause they bought a car, an old police car, and you know what I'm saying? Do anything, bro. Especially if it unmarked. That's crazy to me. Y'all got all these other dumb laws, like window tint laws. That boy got all these window tint laws and everything like that. Good job, boy. Y'all boy got all these window tint laws, but y'all ain't got no law for a nigga to impersonate the police. Good Lord, stick 'em. Woo! Come on, man. Give it to me one time. Give it to me 2 times. Boy, I'm ugly, but I ain't gonna lie doing that. I'm lame, man. Oh, my mount feel like it about to fall off. Ooh. Well, yeah, man, I don't know why. That's weird to me. I can't lie. But yeah, Car, I know that POV wasn't the most exciting, just burning gas POV you can think of. But let me do a little lunch right quick with y'all. Hold on. I still ain't floored that bit for real. I was just trying to keep it from spinning the lease. Bro got a car and a, what kind of trailer? That ain't even a car trailer. That man had a car and a box trailer for hay. You put hay in, like that go up. That, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. But car, I know that wasn't the most exciting POV, but hey, we staying consistent. I'm finna start bringing y'all boys some more hands-free POVs, stuff like that. If y'all like them or not. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, chase your dream, chase your goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. Don't let nobody tell you no. Just keep that faith, man. And trust in the Lord, bro. For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. Stay prayed up, man. Keep building that faith, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay strong, stay humble out here in these streets, and stay safe. And like I said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.